Dear connections, this time I am late in releasing the 9th volume in this series. I trust all of you are doing great. Okay, so here we start. Now, in the first stand itself, when the coil is pushed into the die for the first time, after the alignment, it stops against a spring-loaded pin. This pin is known as a coil stop pin. While it can be made of CR12 material, we prefer to use the standard Misumi pin. After the first hit, coil will pass through this, and the pin will remain below the coil during the entire run. This is only for the first time placement. It aligns with the start line. On the die we engrave the start line along a straight 3 or 4 mm wide groove. This groove is 1 or 2 mm deep and is known as start line. We paint it in red color. This will be from end to end. Operators use this line to make the coil place up to 1 point for the first hit. Sometimes, the coil go a bit ahead or bit behind the start line. By providing the stop pin, we always know where to stop the coil for the first hit. This stop pin will be a standard package with a hardened pin, a coil spring and a set screw. We prefer Misumi brand LPS with suitable pin length. The diameter we prefer is 16 mm. Pin length will be decided based upon the stroke of lift bars or lifter plate.